Machiegni mesa mar ohala piny owacho olando ni nyaka sani gisechiwo maromo shillings bilion 36 omenda mar Hustler Fund ne Jokenya maromo milion 22. Jatend migawo mar riwruoge mag Saga Simon Chelugui bende omedo ni kungo mosetimo chopo bilion 1.8. Kata kamano 30 mag Jokenya biro chako yudo atamalo 30 mag Jokenya biro chako yudo omenda ni dwe mar 11 higani. Kuom duoko hola omedo ni kuom ji milion 22 mane yudo hola ni mana milion 7.9 kende moseduoko.
We have disbursed over 36 billion shillings to 22 million Kenyans. And we have also a saving component of 1.8 billion shillings. And we have 1.8 billion shillings as a saving component. The first saver will access his 30% of his saving on the 1st of November this year. The second issue, we have done away with the traditional securitization of borrowing. No more security. We are pioneering credit scoring, the character of the borrower, to understand if you borrow, you need to pay. And if you borrow, frequently and you repay on time, your credit score will go up. In the end, we can now transfer that information to any leading financial institution, which can use that information to give you more money.